Hey there everyone, back with another video, and in this video we will be learning the simplest concept in JavaScript. It's all about the Boolean object. Yes, as you heard that it's the Boolean. It contains only true or false, right? Either one of them. So without wasting much of the time, let's jump in and let's learn how do we create a Boolean object. And again guys, notice if we do something like let me say var else is true, this is just a primitive Boolean data type. So as you can see, this is what we call it as Boolean data type. Yep, there you go. So don't be confused with Boolean data type and the Boolean object. So I thought of skipping this Boolean object because it is so simple, and I thought of skipping and jumping over that, but why to leave that, right? So this is a complete course, so let us learn that, right? We should not leave anything over here. So now guys, again, how to declare a Boolean object in JavaScript. It is as simple as that of string and number. The only thing is we need to change the constructor itself. So I will just say new Boolean, that's it. So initially, if you don't pass any value for that, it is either true or false. The default value will be false as always, right? So I'll just say console.log and print that bool object into the window, and as you can see, by default we got false. So if I just say true, it will become true as its value. And again guys, it is so simple. And notice if you do something like if you pass something like 0, what will be the output? It's false. So if you just pass something like nan, again it will take it as false, because as the Boolean indicates, it is either true or false. So if you just pass anything apart from false or true, it will take it as default as false. So if I just say -0, it will be false as well. So you should be very careful in handling those values, right? Yes guys, this is all about the things. And coming to the properties and methods, so if I just say bool dot as always value of, it will just return the value inside this Boolean object, which is false. And similarly, we can do something like toString. There you go. It will just return the string format of the Boolean value inside that object. So as you can see, this is the value which is a Boolean, and this is also a value which is in string format. That's it guys, this is all about the Boolean object. So make sure that you use in your logic in your development, and I hope that it helps you in your development process. Yes guys, this is all about it, and I think it is so simple. And again, don't miss all of this study in your development. So it is also important to know the basic stuff as well. So yes guys, this is it for this video. I'm done with this video, and let me know your anything in comments, and like this video, share this video, and again, as always, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. That's it. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.